Hello. When you are browsing the internet, you have all these other websites that you are not interested in popping up all over the place. This can be quite annoying, and they have um, usually these pop-ups are usually sometimes they can contain virus that could harm your computer or even steal your data. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can prevent them from appearing. To do that, just go and click on these three dots on the right hand side of your Google Chrome. Scroll down to where it says settings, which is the last option there, and click on it. It brings you to this screen. When you come to this screen, click on privacy and security. Scroll down to where it says site settings and click on it. Again, scroll down to where it says pop-ups and redirects and click on it. Here, you can stop pop-ups from coming up, or if it's already blocked and you want them anywhere, you can also unblock it from here. But for me, I'm not interested in those pop-ups because that's not what I can on the internet for. So I will leave it to remain there. Once you do this, all those pop-ups won't be coming up anymore, or they will ask you if you are interested or not. Then you either accept or not accept. This is one of the things you need to do in order to secure your privacy while browsing the internet. I hope this has been helpful. If yes, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to add some comment, and share. Thank you for watching.